about to go and game on stream, and I haven't done that in a minute, but I want to show you guys this first on my iPad. I don't know if I told you guys, but I not recently but recently discovered Notion, and I was able to, you know how you don't have planner piece? Well, I don't have planner piece. Like, do I use a physical planner to plan my day? Do I use physical writing pen and paper on checklists? Do I do a calendar? Do I do notifications on my calendar on my phone? Like, do I do a paper planner? I don't know. So when I found Notion while doing UGC, I duplicated someone else's Notion, and then I took whatever information that I needed and put it into it and took out what I didn't. So this is the Notion that I use, and I have it here on my iPad. Very, very minimal and aesthetically pleasing. I have a to-do list here. I have a social media list there and grocery list. And this is my front page as well as a month at a glance planner. I also use this list. I think I checked something. I also use this to help me organize my gaming, not schedule, but it's in the social media aspect. So I have a tab for video games. I have a home inventory, a food inventory here at the side right there. So let me go to the gaming log. And this weekend I did I showed you guys this this morning actually with
I don't have an answer for that. Is there something else I can help with?
No, I showed you guys this before. It's my list of all the games that I have, either I own or want to own. And I did this gaming one this entire past weekend, and I feel so clear, especially because on my regular to-do list area with the grocery list and the social media, I just put everything on there. And this morning I actually woke up at like 4 a.m. and I'm like, do I go back to sleep or do I do something? And last night I actually wanted to game, but I didn't because I just wanted to like be alone. So I ended up gaming but by myself, and I felt like that was unproductive. So my body just woke me up this morning at 3, and I was like, you know what? Let's stream. So I literally did a stream for 2 hours until 7. And as soon as I was done, I got something checked off my list. I had a good start to my day, and I was able to not have to worry about doing that stream tonight. But I'm gonna do another stream tonight anyway, so it's fine. So that means I get 2 done in the same time, but it kind of cancels out the time that I could have used yesterday, but it's fine because I'm not too mad at myself because I actually did do some type of work. So if you're not using Notion, I suggest you do. If you want, I can link mine down below as a duplicatable copy if you guys do want to use it and see that it could help you. If you don't know what Notion is, there's plenty of templates out there. Just search them, especially on YouTube. So many people have their own aesthetic and whole thing of how they organize theirs. I think this might be it, and I really like the fact of when I get something done, I have a column row. Yeah, I have a column of boxes, check boxes. So every time I finish something, I tap it and it checks it off. So I'm telling myself at the end of the week on Sunday, look back and see how many things you've checked off. If it's more than 3, you did a good week. So I'm liking this. I hope this is my planner piece. I'm not sure, but I feel much calmer because 1, things are out of my head, and 2, I can see it in front of me and I'm checking it off. All right, time to go do some gaming, and see you guys soon. We got another package, and this should be and it is that was loud. Guess if you can tell what this is. How do I open this neatly, just in case? Okay. Or not. I got a Stanley. I got it in cream. Do we like it? I like the gold. That's gold, right? Kind of. It's like a tan. And I like that the cover, okay, the rubber up here. I was choosing between two different colors. It was either going to be the rose gold or it was going to be this one. Then I saw a Doom color come out and I was like, wait, I just got the cream. But the Dune is more green, gray tint to it, so I'm actually okay with this. So I'm excited. I'm excited. And plus with the, what I was saying with the rose gold, like it had like this tan color here. It was like a dark-ish light pink. I'm like, I don't want that when the rest of it is a lighter color than that, and they have the same color here on the handle. So oh my god. And I'm gonna be like, with all of my drink mixes that I got at Walmart and whatnot. So oh my gosh, yay. My only concern now, right, I have the black one and I have this one. They're both a straw sippy cup type of cup. So my question to myself is, what am I gonna do with the one that I don't use? I already have a whole collection of cups from other places, like school or functions, that would give us these aluminum containers that you would put water in it. And I always thought that if you had a straw, you can only do water because the straw is going to get backed up with all the gunk. Then when I went to school, I got my first cup with a straw, left soda in it, and it dried in it, but I'm like, it's sugar. So as soon as I washed it away, it was fine. So now my only question is, what do I do with the black one? This one. Now I like this one. You can't, okay. Black on black don't work. So I like this one, but we got this one now, right? This is what, 16? I think it's a little more than 16, but it could just be 16. But this is a 40 ounce. So I'm thinking we keep this one at home because it is also light. And this one can be like our on-the-go cup. And then for my regular cup that I use all the time from Royal Caribbean, this one. Oh. Okay, white on black works. This one I use all the time, but this handle here, I'm scared for it because I feel like it's going to snap one day. And Stanley does have a cup that resembles this, but again, I'm still scared of it snapping. And plus I don't like the straw attachment because the straw falls, and every time it does that, I gotta like wash and clean my hands and push it back up into this black cover. So I'm like, I'm gonna have to deal with the same thing with the other one too. So what do we do here? What are we doing? But super excited to test out these drink packets because they're like poured into a 16.9 ounce glass. I'm like, that packet has too much sugar for the amount of water that you're giving it, in my opinion. You can hear, I use this at work. That has too much sugar for the water. So I'm like, I'm scared again to do a whole pack in this. I'd rather just do half and add as I go. Maybe it is enough for a half. I don't know. But I'm excited! And doesn't it fit my aesthetic so well? Like, look at this! Oh my gosh! I did want it in this chocolate brown. You know, the pants I am wearing. You see this? But it's fine. Another work from home day, and it's raining and I'm home, and I was able to finish a lot of work at work that involved me having to do anything that's on site. So now I'm here just doing all of my computer stuff, and it just feels so good. And to hear the wind in the background, it's to see the lightning come in, like I would be sitting at a desk right now. This is amazing. I just need to focus though, because I'm like my mind is other places because I'm home and it feels like it's not work day. It feels like I'm off, but I'm home. Okay, okay. Here. Hi. So I found some content of me going to Mountain Creek in July, but from 2 years ago, and I don't want to like delete the content or delete it. So I'm going to put it here in this vlog here. Hope you enjoy.